Hello, welcome to jQuery tutorial, chapter 15, jQuery each function, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn about how the each function works. So, jQuery each function, why do we use it? We use it to iterate over the items in a collection. So, let me show you a demo of this. It's very simple. So, let me take an ordered list and let me take a list of skills like C#. And this is JavaScript, and let me go with Xamarin, and let me take the other technology like Angular. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to iterate this collection, unordered list. Unordered list is a collection of skills: C#, JavaScript, Xamarin, and Angular. Now I need to iterate this. How can I iterate? With the help of each function. So let me write a script here. So every time when I iterate this collection, I need to print the name of the item present inside this unordered list, that is C#, JavaScript, Xamarin, and Angular. In the sense, each function is going to iterate this list. Every time when it's the particular list item, it should print the name of the particular item there. So what I need to do is, first I need to verify whether my DOM is completely loaded or not with the help of ready function. Okay, ready function. Okay, here what I'll do is, first I need to identify a list item with the help of selector, that is li. I'm identifying an element directly by tag name. So then what I need to do is I need to call each function on the list item if I need to iterate it. So I need to call anonymous function here. What this anonymous function is going to do is, every time when it iterates this collection, it has to print the name of the particular item. So what I'll do is I'll call alert. To this alert, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to pass dollar this dot text. Okay, do Control S. Now what I'll do is I'll push this page to the browser. Now we will get the output as, let us see it. Okay, list of items. Okay, the first value is C#, second one is JavaScript, third is Xamarin, and fourth is Angular. So what we do is we iterated the collection of skills, okay, with the help of this each function. Okay, and that's the importance of using a each function. It is used to iterate over the items in a collection. So suppose if you wish to exit from the function, from each function, then what you have to do is you have to just return the false. Okay, so let me show you how it works. It's very simple. Suppose I'm iterating this collection. Now once the JavaScript executed, I have to come out of the iteration. Okay, how do I do that? It's very simple. What I need to do is I need to make use of if clause, telling like if okay, I got it, like if this dot text, okay, is equal to Xamarin, okay, Xamarin, what it has to do is it has to come out of the iteration. That is, we have to, if it has to come out of the iteration, then we have to return false. Okay, so now let me go back and let me refresh. Now C# is done, JavaScript is done. Now as soon as I click OK, okay, it comes out of the iteration because keep in mind this criteria is getting matched, like this dot text. Now it has iterated C# and now JavaScript. Now as soon as it's the Xamarin, it will be equal, so it will return false, then it will come out of the iteration. So let me show you. Now it is in C# is done. Now I'll click JavaScript. Now no more pop-ups will come because I've specified in my code, like using the if clause, if the text is equal to Xamarin, then just return false. Okay, then come out of the iteration. And that's the meaning of the sentence. So let me go back and let me refresh again. This is C#, JavaScript, and now its condition is satisfying Xamarin, so it will not print the rest of them. Okay, and that's the meaning of this sentence. To exit from each function, return the false. Okay, now the third point present here is implicit iteration in jQuery. So what do you mean by implicit iteration in jQuery? It's very simple. Now let me go here and let me remove the things what I've added here. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to make the color of the list items present here to be of orange. Okay, color of the text to be of orange. So how do I do that? Now dollar, I need to identify an element directly by tag name. So list, I'll use each function. Each function. So this is what happening here. Now what I need to do is list each function dollar this dot. I'm telling like when you iterate each item you apply this CSS. So the CSS what I'm specifying here is the color to be of, sorry for that, the color to be of orange. Yes, it will be dark orange. Yes, it looks better. Now let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe the color of the list items C#, JavaScript, and Xamarin and Angular are orange. Why? Because I'm telling in my jQuery code to the each function I'm assigning a task telling like when you iterate each of the item present in the collection you apply this CSS. So let me go back to presentation and read out the sentence. Implicit iteration in jQuery. So keep in mind there is no need to explicitly iterate over each element in the collection. Here with the help of each function what we are doing is we are explicitly iterating the explicitly iterating the item in the collection with the help of each function explicitly. But keep in mind most of the jQuery methods, for example CSS method or any other methods, implicitly iterates over the entire collection. In the sense, now what I've achieved, the color orange, we can achieve with the help without the help of each function also, because some of the methods in jQuery implicitly iterates over the entire collection. So what I can do is I'll remove this or I'll comment out this as of now, and let me write it again dollar and to identify the element with the list. Then directly I can call this CSS method, because this CSS method implicitly iterate over the collection and it applies the thing what I specify there. So let me apply color to be of orange, that is dark orange. Without the help of each function also we can achieve the same functionality. Let me go back and let me refresh. You can still observe it remains dark orange only. In this sense, what I mean is we should use the each function wherever it is necessary, because some of the methods in jQuery implicitly iterates the collection. Okay, then there is no necessity of using the each function explicitly there. When the CSS method's done, it does it implicitly by itself. Okay, and that's the meaning of this implicit iteration in jQuery. So in this session we learned like what is jQuery function, and if you want to come out of the each function iteration, then what I need to do is I need to just return false, and how to work with and where we have to use each function, and also we learned like what is implicit iteration in jQuery. Okay, and that's for the day. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page with things URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer our websites. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.